Which formula do I draw? I get this question a lot from students over the years. Whenever they are asked to draw the structure for a molecule or a product, they will always wonder which formula should they draw. There are three types of main formula: structural formula, display formula, and skeletal formula. And I will also show you a mixture of this formula by using 2-methylpropan 1-ol. Let's start with the display formula. Display formula means we need to show every single bond in the structure. Now, by using the display formula, let's convert it to structural formula. I'll start from this CH because it is bonded to 2CH3. So structural formula means we condense the formula without showing any bond. Skeletal formula means we don't show the carbon and hydrogen. 3 carbon, so 3 dots. Let's join the dot. One more carbon bonded to carbon number 2. So one more dot above carbon number 2. And don't forget there's OH group here. So this is skeletal formula. We do not show the carbon and hydrogen in the hydrocarbon. Only when it appears in other functional group, we need to show it. Now, mixture means I can mix different types of formula in one structure. For example, now you see, I didn't show all the bonds in this formula, but it is not exactly structural formula. And it is not exactly a displayed formula because I don't show every single bond in the structure. So this one is just to show you the type of formulas that we can use in drawing organic structure. So now go back to the question, which one do I draw in the exam? We are going to go through a few past year questions together and then you decide which one should you draw. Draw the structure of B. Let's say you are given a reaction and you are asked to draw the structure of B. So if the question didn't specify which formula, you didn't see the word structural, displayed, or skeletal in the question, they only say structure. That means you can draw any formula, including the one with mixture. Another question. Now this time the question says draw the skeletal formula of 2-methyl-but-1-ene. You see that it specifies skeletal formula. So you should only give skeletal formula. Another question. Draw lactone P, the product of reaction 3. No keyword is given. You cannot find structural. You cannot find display. You cannot find skeletal word in the question. That means you can draw any formula, any structure. Any of these, including the one with mixture. Next one. Draw the displayed formula of K. Keyword displayed formula. So you should only draw displayed formula of K. Next one, another interesting question. It says identify A. Did you even say draw A? Identify A. So this one, you can use any formula, including this time, including the name of A. Another one, suggest the structural formula of the straight chain halogenal alkane Q. You have noticed already, structural formula is the keyword, so give only structural formula and not other formula. So the conclusion, which formula should you draw in the exam? So it depends on whether the question specify skeletal structural display formula or not. Okay. If they are specified, you need to follow the requirements of the question. If not, you can always draw any of these formulae. And you can also use a mixture of these three different formula in one structure.